First, prepare UV glass, UV adhesive, dust absorber, dry cloth, and wet wipes. Then choose the environment to avoid dusty places. Before cleaning the screen, the phone is placed horizontally and the handset is facing left. First, use wet wipes to clean the screen surface. Then clean the screen with a dry cloth. Absorb screen surface dust with dust absorber. After that, open the UV adhesive. Drop the UV adhesive in the middle of the screen. To avoid bubbles, please get closer to the screen to drop the UV adhesive. Then, put on the UV glass. Align the screen with the corresponding position of the phone and cover the curved screen. If there is overflow glue, please use cotton swab to clean the glue of the border. Do not press or squeeze the UV glass. Just watch the UV glass to self-applying. Before irradiation, use a round-shaped object to cover up the fingerprint area. Then, apply radiation to the upper part of the screen first with UV light for about 40 seconds. After that radiation, the lower part for about 40 seconds. Take away the round-shaped object. Put your finger at the fingerprint area and push left and right, up and down, around 3 to 4 times. After that, move in a circle with your finger at the fingerprint area. Apply irradiation to the front of the screen for about 4 minutes. Each side of the screen needs radiation for about 4 minutes. And now, we are done with the installation.
Glastimate by Siege. Built for premium.